So guys, after I had burned that first fire up there, so I was going to burn a second fire, but there was some lump of twigs and such right in this section, but I decided I'm not going to do that. So what I did was I took them up and I banked them to the side, to the edging of the ground, so I can come back another day and I can burn out these, and hopefully I get the loader to push down the section so I can get some air in the ground. So guys, that's what I have done. So me do you know it's about 8:30. Me I walk over here, so them boy there, them simple tap call them boy. Me I walk over there, guys. I know them a chop grass and something for me, so me I go look for what them a do. So see, there's my banky up. So this is my sister section over here. So now she get it burnt, so I just go with them and look after. Hey Barbie, one vehicle come over here, man. You know see? He right there to check your son, you see it? Two wheeling. Yeah man, one vehicle come over here. See, even the hose, he pressed on the hose and something. Hey, see V come out, check there. I got a captain by water. So that's my brother up there, so now. And this is my cousin. Let's see what them do. So, in claim, so them cut grass for morning. That's all they do, guys, is argue. All they do is argue. Every day, all day, them argue. See them there. What man, what kind of meat can you have?